I'm in the hospital, and I've had 4 procedures done on my knees so far. And this is a continual motion machine. It's called a PGM, and it works very slowly, but it keeps your leg moving, gives you a little more mobility, so your leg doesn't get stiff. I haven't been able to walk yet. My first procedure was, I believe, January 1st. I'm not so sure. And then I had another one almost exactly like it 3 days ago. So I'm kind of starting over with the movement. And I have a accordion-like wound vac. And here's my nurse.